So one of my favourite elements to the restoration zone is the brain tap. Now the brain tap is scientifically proven to help you balance out your mind and thrive at peak performance. So for me personally, I know when I've struggled with my mental well-being, a lot of that has come from lack of direction and sort of lack of understanding around what I wanted and how to create that. And the brain tap provides guided visualization options for all aspects of your life, from improving your physical health, improving your mindset, improving relationships, finances, all of those areas. So it takes you on a journey so you can start reprogramming what you think through your mind. So for me, it's been an absolute game changer, and all you need to do is jump in there, get the headset from reception, jump in the restoration pod, whack it on for 20 minutes or so, and just zone out and let it do its thing. Another great aspect that I love of the restoration zone is the infrared sauna. Infrared sauna is new, so it's just hanging out by the cold pool, and it's that nice blue little box that you can jump in. Now the benefits of the infrared sauna, it doesn't heat the air up around you like the traditional sauna. It sort of heats you up from the inside out, which is really good for producing sweat and detoxifying the body. Leading studies have shown that sweat caused by conventional saunas is around 95 to 90% water, whereas with the sweat from the infrared, it's around 80 to 85% water. The other 15 to 20% was cholesterol, heavy metals, and some pretty cool benefits there of sweating out those unwanted toxins. So some other benefits of the infrared sauna is obviously detoxification, blood and oxygen circulation, but it's also a great place to sit in and if you want to meditate, going off from sort of the brain tap. It's a place where you can sort of sit and get quiet, and I personally take my headphones in there and put on the Calm app and just head into a nice meditation. So a good way to really maximize your overall mental well-being and recovery is jump in there for anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes and maximize the things that I've talked about, discussed, or otherwise the other elements of contrast therapy, the traditional sauna and the rhomboid, etc. So enjoy, you guys, get in there a few times a week and have fun with it.